If you need to remove your Google Nest Doorbell, the battery version for charging or troubleshooting, here's how you can safely unmount it from the bracket and install it back in just a few simple steps. If you're removing the doorbell while it's mounted, you can first locate the release hole with your finger. Once you found it, insert the release key, gently press inwards, and the doorbell should detach from the base plate. Now for better visibility, we're also demonstrating it right here. Simply take the release key, locate the release hole at the top of the doorbell, gently press into it as shown, and the doorbell will easily release from the base plate. Now, after you're done working with it to reinstall it, first you gotta align the bottom lock with the cutout on the base plate. And then press the top of the doorbell inwards until you hear a click. Once it clicks into place, the doorbell is securely attached and ready to use. If you don't have the release key, you can still remove the doorbell using other small tools. We got a video on that. Go ahead and check it out if needed. That's all for today. See you at the next one.